Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ifwatun Afni Saputri, NPM Y940603047. I'm from Biology Education. I will explain 20 terms in biology. Okay, the first one, anatomy. Anatomy is a branch of biology that studies the structure and organization of the body parts of living things that are related to one another. 2. Species. Species is one of the basic classifications of a group of organisms that have physical similarities and can produce offspring. 3. Photosynthesis is the use of sunlight energy by green plants or bacteria to convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates. 4. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, or also known as green leaf substance, is a plant greening substance that plays an important role in the process of photosynthesis. 5. Xylem. Xylem is a tissue that functions to transport water and dissolve minerals from the roots to the leaves. 6. The epidermis. The epidermis is the outermost tissue layer in plants which has the function of the epidermis as a protector of covering of all organs. 7. Hypodermis. Hypodermis is a layer of several layers formed on the skin. 8. Cortex. Cortex is the outermost part of the plant stem or root that is bounded on the outside by the epidermis and on the inside by the endodermis. 9. Abiotic. Abiotic is a term that is usually used to describe something that is not living or inanimate object. 10. Amphibians. Amphibians are animals that can live in two realms, namely land and air. 11. Adaptation. Adaptation is the way in which organisms cope with the pressure of their surrounding environment in order to survive. 12. Anaerobes. Anaerobes are live without the need for oxygen, which is gaseous or free light. 13. Multicellular. Multicellular is a term in biology. Multicellular organisms are the opposite of unicellular organisms, namely organisms that have several cells in their body or plural. 14. Apexial is the lower surface of the leaf. 15. Morphology. Morphology is a branch of linguistics that identifies the basic units of language as grammatical units. 16. Cell. The cell is the smallest unit of living things, which is the basis for the building blocks of body parts. 17. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is an organ in cells that is only found in plants. 18. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is an organization serving the excretory function of cell, and these structures can be seen using an ordinary light microscope. 19. Pollen. Pollen is a two-way transport process where photosynthetic food can be transported anywhere. 20. The population. The population is the whole of the research subjects, while the sample is a part of the population.